is Jonathan, and today we're going to be learning about deactivating a portal. This is a new lesson for blueprints. The goal is to deactivate the portal to reach the switch. You can read the description. You can also use the dot notations, and then you can read the steps. I'm going to go straight to the code. As it says in the steps, do the notation to set is active property of the green portal to instant to false. So that means this has to be false now. Then you could do it for I, or you could do a while. I'm gonna do for I and 1 through 5, no, through 3. 3. The code is going to be move forward, move forward, move forward. Then next you're gonna do turn left. You're gonna just repeat move forward. You turn left or right, and turn right or left again. Then after that, you can, so I'm gonna run the code. I'm gonna run faster. It's really long. And as I forgot to put the toggle switch. So you're supposed to put the toggle switch when you're here. So I'm gonna put the toggle switch, and then I'm gonna run, since I forgot. Toggles that switch, it turns around. Toggles that switch, turns around. Toggles that switch and turns around. And you completed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!